Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Hope you all are well. What happened, children? There is no light, I think so. Because there is no electricity today. So I'm going to take the class through this light only. I'm using sunlight only. I can get the sunlight from here. Okay, it is reflecting that light. Can you see it clearly? Okay, let's wait for some time. After that, electricity will be okay and we have to take the class in the presence of tube light. So students, how can I take my class without light? Light is an important source of energy, is it, children? Wow, light came. Okay, so I'm going to take the class. Look at the screen, children. Without light, life on the earth will be very difficult and impossible. Now only I'm very much disturbed without light. So from this you can understand sunlight and tube lights are giving light to us. Star also giving the light to us. Right, children? What about earth and moon? They are giving light to us? No. Earth, that is reflecting the light from the sun only. Right. And moon also, it get the light from the sun only. Okay. Then some objects that are emitting their own light. Okay. So we have to say the example like sun. It's a natural resource. And it emitting its light from itself. So we have to say like that. Sun is the main source of light. Okay, which one? Sun. And light is the only form of the energy that we can see. Students, based on the light, we can classify objects into two types. What are they? Luminous object and non-luminous object. Okay, what is the differences between these two? Let's check. Luminous object. What it is luminous, children? First, I am going to write the example. After that, you can clearly understand what are the main differences between these two. So, luminous object, I am going to write the example, that is sun. But non-luminous object, I can write the example, that is earth or moon. Okay. So what is the main differences between these two, children? Sun, it's producing its own light, is it? But what about earth? Is it producing their own light? No. We can get the light from sun, is it? So these are the main differences. So we have to say like that. Objects, they're producing their own light. Their own light. That we call luminous objects. That we call luminous objects. Objects which are producing their own light. Okay, example we can say sun, star, lights, tube lights, and glowworm and fireflies. These also example for what, children? Luminous objects. So students, we have to say like that. Sun and candle both are producing light. Okay, but sun and candle, some difference is there. Sun is producing their own light. So we can say it is a natural luminous object. Which one, children? Sun. Sun is a natural luminous object. Okay. But candle. Candle is it natural thing? Candle, bulb, tube light, these things, is it natural? No, man-made. So we can call it as artificial. Okay. Artificial luminous object. Okay. So understand? So luminous objects we can classify into two. What are they? That are natural luminous object and artificial luminous object. Okay. In natural luminous object we can clearly say the example, that is sun. Then what about artificial, children? That is candle or tube light, like that. Okay. Sun and star, these are the natural luminous objects. These are the natural source of light, is it? Are they living, children? Sun and star? No. These are the non-living natural luminous objects. What? Sun and star. But glowworm and fireflies, these are the living natural luminous objects. Okay. Children, we can classify its luminous objects into two types. What are they? These are natural luminous object and artificial luminous objects. Natural luminous objects we can classify into again two. Living natural luminous object and non-living. Okay. Living we can clearly say the example, that is glowworm and fireflies. But non-living, we can say the example like star and sun. They are producing their own light. Okay. So when we are checking about the non-luminous object, non-luminous objects, they don't give what, children? They don't give light out. Okay. They don't give light. That's our non-luminous objects. Okay. We can say the example earth. They are reflecting from sun's light. Okay. And they are not giving their own light. That's why we call it as a non-luminous objects. We can classify non-luminous objects into three types. That are transparent, translucent and opaque. Let's check the differences of these also. Students, through the experiment we can learn about transparent, translucent and opaque. Through the activity video you can learn more about it. So all should have to watch next activity video also. And we can meet in our next class. Thank you.